Oh, hey guys, in this quick video, I'm going to talk about the Character Creator 5 and what is the difference between the 5 and 4. So, like 4, if you're using already 4, I want to show you the important things. If you need stability for production work for now, go for 4. If you're on tighter budget, your projects don't require extreme close-ups, you're not working with, let's say, meta-humans, you want established tutorials and community support, 4 is great. Now, on the other hand, with CC5, if you need film TV quality close-up renders, you work with Unreal Engine metahumans, you need 8K textures, you're doing professional virtual production, also you can wait for the bug fixes toward early adopter issues. Okay, so these are the kind of like the difference here. Now, the 5 one, when you're going to talk about it, is you have up to 16 more mesh detail than CC4. Also supports 4K and 8K skin textures, full displacement map support, upgraded skin shader with cavity maps for pore, high resolution tear ducts, either for close-up renders in film and television production, HD morph system with fidelity suitable for 3D printing, and many more. So this is kind of like what you're gonna actually get there. Also HD expression profile with sticky lips. So a lot of stuff you're gonna get for Character 5. But the cons is that you can have like crashes. Also, maybe like the purchase plugins don't appear in the program. Content download is nearly impossible to locate. Our tutorials are made them like even like misleading. So it needs to little bit of work, but still it really depends what you actually need. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.